Are you trying to access Apple Intelligence using the mic button on your Mac but not responding? Let's check and change the default Apple Intelligence keyboard shortcut on Mac. I am Max, and let's get started. First, launch the System settings from the top Apple logo menu. Now, select Apple Intelligence and Siri from the left side panel of the window. Then, see the keyboard shortcut for Apple Intelligence that you turned on for Mac. If you are not turned on, then make it enabled, given in the video description. The default shortcut is the Glob and S keys from the keyboard. To change it, select Reset of the Command key shortcut, or use the Customize option. Press the keys you want to set for Apple Intelligence. We can use Talk to Siri by pressing and holding on the keyboard shortcut. And type to Siri by using the keyboard shortcut on Mac. That's it. Alternatively, we can set the Apple Intelligence shortcut from the top menu bar. Under the System settings, select Control Center. Scroll to the last option and select Siri for Show in the menu bar. Now Siri is showing on the top menu bar. To use Talk to Siri, just long press on it. Or press once to use Type to Siri with Apple Intelligence. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to make this video more helpful to others. Also, comment for more help.